Hi everyone, welcome back to the shop. We're going to unbox, it's not so new, being out there for almost 4 months already, but for one reason or another I couldn't get one of these, but now Freewing sent me this sample. And to see what we have here. The plane, we have a big one. This is a smaller version. I like the art. The art is nice. Alright, let's do this one. Let me take it. You can appreciate this really nice view of this plane. This is going to be my my fourth F-14. I already have 2 Star Marks, one Freewing, the big one, and now this is the 64mm Freewing F-14 Tomcat. Let's take a look. Alright, let's go part by part. Okay. Let's set this aside. Oh. Nice piece of plywood here, protecting the plane. It's nice. Look at this, huh? It's a beautiful plywood. Really nice. Good for any laser cut projects. I think we take out the tape. Alright. And now we have the manual. Okay, big warning here. Working voltage on electronic parts. Okay, Z drive 5.5, 0, 5.5, blah 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 blah. The red LED 2 to 2.4, so this must have a resistance built in the panel. Okay, noted. Let's take a look. Another manual. This is for what? Huh? I suspect it's for the gyro. Yeah, it's for the gyro. Sincerely, I don't use gyro. I don't feel comfortable using gyro, so let's see what happens. But most probably I'm going to fly with the gyro deactivated. All right. As usual, the packaging is spectacular, very safe. I remember my old times with Hobby King when you received things that were packed very fast in a haste, and 50% of the time you have issues, beams, bent rudders, bent wings, like my Lancaster at that time. Scott didn't want to recognize that the packaging was mostly of the issue that I crashed the Lancaster, first flight ever. Alright, enough of the ranting. Okay, we have a wing, beautiful. It's really nice because it's very similar to the big one. The only big difference is that it's smaller. It was going to say no flap, but this one also have flap. Amazing, right? You see, aileron, flap, the connectors, the ball bearings for the swing mechanism. Beautiful. The light is so nice. Really, really nice. Right. This is my dreaded tape. I always got very scared of this tape because this tape can ruin any good finishing. This tape get caught by the paint. Okay, your paint goes out. All right. Brother. Okay, what have we got here? Very nice rudder. Not the best foam. I see that you still have some pellets. The foam pellets can be seen, right? And it's also black, so this one is going to suffer. Jolly Rogers on this side. AJ02, okay. The servo, all are mini servos, 9 gram only. The rudder is here. Okay, we have some hardware. I assume this is part of the swing mechanism, right? All the supports and also the rods, the control rods, and so on. Right, and this one is the ventral fins. These are just plywood, painted plywood. Right. Actually, I already designed scale ones with body, right, with the shape and everything, even with the NACA intakes. It's they're in Cults 3D. Okay. Let's look at the elevators. Everything looks like it is a scaled down version of the 80 mm, right? So far, all looks exactly the same. Very nice paint. The paint is excellent. I must say that they did a very good job with the paint. Right. Everybody is here. That is for the elevator. And okay, oh, amazing. Glue. For a long time I haven't seen glue on these planes. All this bullshit of all the, you cannot ship glue and so on. All these stupid rules by the shipping cartel. Very heavy fuselage. Careful with the fan. Wow. It's very heavy, man. Believe me, I'm surprised how heavy is this. Right? As I mentioned, this is a scaled down version of the 80 mm. It has the same issue with the closing of the cover. EC5 connector. I'm going to change this to XT90. The retracts, rotating retracts finally, right? Remember the 80 mm is just straight. The looks are not so good, but the rest is exactly the same. This is the points to attach the ventral fins. The hook is just foam. It's not like the big one that has a movable hook. Here we have a lot of space for probably 4,000 to 6,000 milliamp batteries, right? All the things, so probably the receiver will go here, right? Connectors for the elevators, rudders, there's the connector for the rudders, really nice exhaust, I mean tail cones. You can see the 12 blade 64 ES. What else we have here? We have you're right. Okay, here we have a AMRAAM missile with one thing left because this one goes very close to the fuselage. We have the missile pod. We have two of them coming out of the fuselage with two missiles, one here, one here. There is the other wing. I'm not going to move it. The other wing, the cockpit, scaled down version of the big one, same extension and everything. And the nose cone. Nose cone has two holes there for the nose, right? There is the other missile pod. There is a compressed foam. What else we have? We have two Phoenix missiles already attached. I don't know if they are detachable. And it seems that they are gluing. No, oh no, actually no. Right, the Phoenix go here, and you have this nice rail. Okay. Oh, look at this very cute side window. Nice. Oh well. We have to glue it back. So you have to glue it back. So window, this one is okay. It's all foam, right? But at least you know this one comes with a peg, so you can slide in the missile pod. Right, like this, easy to put, easy to take out, very nice. Alright, well, I think that's all. There's nothing else to discover. So, okay, let's see what's going to happen with this really nice plane. And I have also the big one. Let's take a look at the front landing gear with doors. Right. I don't see the camera here for the other one, the big one. And of course, this is the Jolly Roger scheme that everybody loves. I love this. I love it also. These are all the mechanisms for the string, very complex mechanism. This one, for I can see, is using servos instead of the actuators like the big one, right? Alright, that's it. I'm going to build this one. I'm going to follow some advice from people that already flown this one. because what they feel is that this wing has a very bad profile, right? And they have been doing some shaving and everything, but you know, for me it looks okay. I'm not 100% sure what is could be the problem, but everybody complains about the stalling characteristic of this plane, and they are blaming to the profile of the wing. The wing is not really, I mean, can support lift for a long time, but for me it looks okay. Anyway, I'm still going to investigate what can be happening, and okay, I will report soon. I'm planning to use my trusted 4000 milliamp hour graphene from HRV 100C, so hopefully everything is going to be fine. I'm going to put some reflex here just in case to increase the washout. And okay, overall, first looks, I think the plane looks really nice, right? If you are a Tomcat lover, I love Tomcats, not only because Top Gun movie, but also a long time ago before a movie. You will enjoy this plane. So I'm enjoying just looking at it. And okay, hopefully we are going to see it fly maybe hopefully this Sunday or next week. Stay alert, please subscribe to my channel, and stay safe and happy. Thank you very much.